Hey everyone, what I'm going to film here for you is the day in life of a day trader I did record for you last week. Hope you enjoy it. Time to have my tea and ready for the day. $5:40, so I wake up, right? Wash my face, wash my teeth, get some green tea, get everything ready. Now I have to go to my computer to see the work that you can do at home every day, so you don't have to go anywhere. You just wake up and then I start doing the pre-market analysis. Today the market is found support. Now they try to push it back up. I have to update the chart right now so I can give pre-market analysis. So you see the overall trend is still going down. So the market right now, they make the first high, second up to the upside. They are able to draw the buy zone, sell zone so that they know where they're heading to. So the market is a little bit choppy early in the morning, but after that, you know, Wu, he run the live trading room, so he'll be able to show the people how to handle the downtrend. Right now we're done for trading. That's all we need to do, you know. So we are ready for another walk, and let's see how it goes. I'll put my shoe on. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you do, your health is very important, so you need to do some exercise. Okay, that's the routine that I have to do it every day so I can keep up for my health. Apple Watch. Okay, ready, and let's go. To get some fresh air. Now we went back to the treadmill, hammer a little bit, so that you can lose some weight.
It's really
watering my little garden here, a little bonsai. Last couple of days I've been travel, so they're getting right. So just put some water, they can survive. Where's my chicken? Oh, smell good. Chicken, garlic. I think I'm hungry. After I finish day trading, this one looks like pretty good. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go eat. Right now, we just have a quick lunch, family lunch together. So basically wrap up something after successful day trading and guiding for our members in this core channel. Now just have some food and enjoy lunch with the family. Getting tired, so let's jump into bed and take a quick nap. Hopefully it can relax my mind a little bit. Just watching some Animal Planet channel. Look at the jungle, how the animals are playing. Yep, so we watch different channels. You know, usually if I go hunt for frog, it's about 30 per night. So I'm doing. But I was young. That's a good food. Frog meat is very good though. You cook a very good curry. Yeah.
Let them.
got it. Yeah.
Beautiful thing.
Limited stock.
11 out of 10.
Like this. After dinner, then we just looking for something for entertain, like basketball or football. So today is Golden State Warriors. They play with Washington. Just watch again. Hello everyone, and this is a day in live trading. I'm finished my trading. Now time to go to bed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.